In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create filters in Google Sheets. Filters are an incredibly useful tool when you're working with large sets of data, as they allow you to sort and view the information you need quickly and efficiently. So let's dive right into how you can use filters to display only the data you're interested in. To start, open your Google Sheet and locate the data you want to filter. In our example today, let's say we're working with a spreadsheet that includes a list of individuals, and each row contains various attributes like age, gender, and more. Our goal is to filter this data so that we only see the male entries. First, you need to identify the column containing the data you wish to filter. In this example, it's the gender column. Click on the header of that column to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see it highlighted. Next, go to the top of your screen and find the Data menu. Click on it, and you should see an option labeled Create a Filter. Click on Create a Filter, and you will notice small filter icons appear to the right of each column header. These icons are your gateway to filtering the data in each column. Now, let's focus on the Gender column, where you should see a small triangular filter icon. Click on this icon, and you will be greeted with a drop-down menu displaying filter options. Since we want only the male data, look for an option that lets you filter by values. In the given drop-down, you will see checkboxes corresponding to the different values present in your column. Here, you will see entries for male and female. To filter the data to show only the male entries, uncheck the box next to female, ensuring only male remains checked. Once you have unchecked the female value, click OK. Immediately you will see that the table updates and displays only the rows where the gender is listed as male, allowing you to focus on the information you need without the distraction of irrelevant data. Finally, if you ever need to revert to viewing all the data again without the filter, you have a couple of options. You could either delete the filter entirely by going back to the Data menu and selecting Remove Filter, or click on the filter icon in the Gender column again. Once there, simply recheck the female value and click OK. This will restore your spreadsheet to display all the data, both male and female. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully used filters in Google Sheets to hone in on the information you need. Filters are a great way to make data handling more manageable, especially when working with large datasets. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this feature as handy as I do.